Hey everybody, it's the Herb Guy with the Elder Herb Shop, and welcome back to Where Science Meets Nature, a channel where we discuss the medicinal value of plants and other natural substances found in nature all around us, with just a little bit of science thrown in because we can. Today I gotta tell you, we are trying to get this done. As you can see, the weather's kind of crummy, and we had to get our chicken coop covered up for the season. We're gonna try to keep them in here this winter so they can, when it gets super cold, so that they don't freeze to death and they'll have a nice area to run in. Yesterday we worked on getting everything done before the rain hit. As you can see, we got plastic up on top, but I really hope you'll be patient. I am working currently on a video in regards to natural ways to beat depression, so if you can just be patient another day or two, I will get that done. But this is kind of a priority. I can't take time away from this because, you know, we can't have our chickens getting sick. But please be patient with us. We are definitely trying as hard as we can, and we will get that done as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good weekend.